Yeah, morning my dear students. In the previous lecture, I asked one question. That is, I hope you got the question. I am sitting inside a second train. My father went outside to get one ice cream for me. And suddenly I shouted at my father, Father, our train is moving, come fast. Father, our train is moving, come fast. My father came and later he said that our train is not moving. I got confused. Why? That's what my question. So have you got the answer for this? Good. Very good. The reason is, as the boy said, I am watching at my friend who is sitting in train number 1. My father is in between trains 2 and 3. Actually, the train number 1 started moving. This train started moving. As this train is moving in the forward direction, I myself felt that I am moving in the backward direction. I myself felt that I am moving in the backward direction. So here my frame of reference is train number 1. With respect to train number 1, my position has been changed. Means I am in motion with respect to the train number 1. As soon as I felt that I am moving, I have shouted at my father, Dad, come fast, come fast, come fast. He came. But when I have turned towards the train number 3 and towards this platform, I felt that I am at rest. I came to conclusion that I am at rest. Suddenly I have turned and have seen towards 1. I am moving. Suddenly I have turned towards platform number 3, train number 3. I am at rest. Because here my frame of reference is the stationary with respect to that. Stationary sharp. With respect to this, my position is not changing, means I am at rest. With respect to this, my position is changing and I felt that I am under motion. So I hope you are very much clear about the rest and motion. So we can't say whether an object is completely, absolutely at rest or absolutely under motion until and unless a frame of reference is attached